नमस्कार भाइ बहिनी। आज मैले क्लास 8 को साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी युनिट 11 अर्थ एन्ड स्पेस लिएर आएको छु। यस च्यानललाई माया देखाइदिइरहनु भएको छ, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। र यसरी नै लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्स्क्राइब गर्दै जानुस्, हेर्दै जानुस्। म अझै भिडियोहरू बनाउने छु। धन्यवाद। सुरु गरौँ भिडियो। Answer the following question. Define ores. List the uses of minerals. Ores are naturally occurring rocks that contain sufficient minerals with important elements such as metals that can be extracted profitably. Uses of minerals. Construction. Minerals like sand, gravel and stone are used in construction. Energy. Minerals like coal, uranium are used to generate energy. Industrial. Minerals like bauxite, iron ore are used in manufacturing. Jewelry. Precious minerals like gold, silver, diamonds are used in jewelry making. Agriculture. Minerals like phosphate, potash are used as fertilizers. Write the names of the ores of iron, aluminium, copper and lead. Iron, hematite, magnetite. Aluminium, bauxite. Copper, chalcopyrite, bornite. Lead, galena. Describe the process of formation of soil. Soil formation is a process involving the weathering of rocks into smaller particles over long periods. It starts with the physical, chemical, and biological breakdown of rocks. As rocks break down into smaller particles, they mix with organic matter to form fertile soil. The process is influenced by factors such as climate, organisms, parent material, topography, and time. What is the universe? What does it contain? The universe is the vast space that includes everything that exists, all matter, energy, planets, stars, galaxies, and even the physical laws and constants that govern them. It contains galaxies, solar systems, stars, planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies. What are asteroids? Where do they lie in the solar system? Asteroids are small, rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt, which lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. What does the surface of the Moon look like? The surface of the Moon is covered with craters, mountains, valleys, and flat plains, known as maria. It is mostly barren and dusty, with a grayish appearance. What is a comet? Why does it develop a tail while approaching the Sun? A comet is a small icy body that orbits the Sun. As a comet approaches the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, releasing gas and dust, which forms a glowing head known as a coma. The solar wind then blows these materials away from the Sun, creating a tail. Draw a path on which a comet goes around the Sun, showing the appearance of comets in various points. You can see the diagram of comets. It is revolving around the Sun. What are the meteors? Are they seen from any planet other than the Earth? Give reason for your answer. Meteors are the streaks of light when we see in the sky when a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up due to friction. While meteoroids exist throughout the solar system, meteors as observed phenomena are specific to Earth's atmosphere. Other planets with atmospheres can also experience similar phenomena, but on Earth they are observed as shooting stars. What is a galaxy? What are the basic shapes of galaxy? A galaxy is a massive system of stars, star clusters, interstellar gas and dust, and dark matter, bound together by gravity. The basic shapes of galaxies include spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Write any two differences between meteors and meteorites. Meteors, bright streaks of light caused by meteorites burning up in Earth's atmosphere. Meteorites, pieces of meteoroids that survive the passage through the atmosphere and land on the Earth. What is a constellation? How many constellations have been declared officially? Name any two constellations. A constellation is a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern in the night sky. There are 88 officially recognized constellations. Examples include Orion and Ursa Major. How are constellations named? Constellations are often named after mythological figures, animals, or objects that their star patterns resemble. Many names come from ancient Greek and Roman mythology. Explain three hypotheses about the origin of the solar system. Nebular hypothesis suggests the solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust that collapsed under gravity. Planet simul hypothesis proposes that the small solid particles collided and stuck together to form larger bodies, eventually becoming planets. Proto-planet hypothesis, similar to the nebular hypothesis but includes a stage where small bodies grow by accretion. What is the estimated age of Earth? Was the Earth as it is today when it was originated? Explain. The Earth is estimated to be about 4.5 billion years old. When it was first formed, it was a hot molten mass with no atmosphere or life. Over billions of years, it cooled, developed an atmosphere, and eventually became capable of supporting life. How is the geological time scale divided and determined? The geological time scale is divided based on major events in Earth history, such as the formation of the Earth, the appearance of life, and mass extinctions. It is divided into eons, eras, periods, and epochs. What is an era? How many eras are there? An era is a major division of geological time that follows an eon and is divided into periods. There are three main eras within the Phanerozoic eon: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. When did the first life appear on Earth? What was it like? The first life appeared on Earth approximately 3.5 billion years ago. It was in the form of simple single-celled organism, likely similar to bacteria. What are the significant events that occurred in Mesozoic era and Cenozoic era? Mesozoic era, known as the age of reptiles, significant events include the dominance of dinosaurs, the appearance of the first birds and mammals, and the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea. Cenozoic era, known as the age of mammals, significant events include the rise of mammals to dominance, the development of human beings, and the most recent ice ages. Mention the time period of Paleozoic era, approximately 541 to 252 million years ago. Mesozoic era, approximately 252 to 66 million years ago. Cenozoic era, approximately 66 million years ago to present. Write any two differences between metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal elements and can be melted to form a new product, while non-metallic minerals do not contain metals and are primarily used in industries like construction. Metallic minerals are usually shiny and have a higher density, whereas non-metallic minerals tend to be dull and less dense. Meteors and meteorites. Meteors are the bright streak of light produced when meteoroids burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, while meteorites are the solid remnants of meteoroids that reach the Earth's surface. Meteors exist only temporarily in the sky as they burn up, whereas meteorites can be found on the Earth's surface after impact. Galaxy and constellation. Galaxies are vast systems containing billions of stars, planets, and dark matter, bound by gravity, whereas constellations are simply recognizable patterns formed by a few stars in the night sky. Galaxies are massive and can span hundreds of thousands of light years, while constellations are just visual groupings of stars seen from Earth with no real connection between the stars. Cenozoic era and Mesozoic era. Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals, whereas Mesozoic era is recognized as the age of reptiles, particularly dinosaurs. Cenozoic era began 66 million years ago and continues today, while Mesozoic era occurred earlier from 252 to 66 million years ago. Cenozoic era and Paleozoic era. Cenozoic era is the current geological era starting 66 million years ago, while Paleozoic era is much older, ranging from 541 to 252 million years ago. Cenozoic era is characterized by the dominance of mammals, whereas Paleozoic era is known for the emergence of early life forms like fish, amphibians, and invertebrates. Mesozoic era and Precambrian era. Mesozoic era is the age of dinosaurs and reptiles, while Precambrian era encompasses the vast period before complex life, covering Earth's formation to 541 million years ago. Mesozoic era spans a specific time frame from 252 to 66 million years ago, whereas Precambrian era is a much longer and earlier period that includes Earth's early development, lasting over 4 billion years. Give reasons. Rock is a product of minerals. Rock are composed of one or more minerals which aggregate to form solid materials. Limestone is not a mineral. Limestone is actually considered a rock, not a mineral. It is composed mainly of mineral calcite along with other materials. While calcite is a mineral, limestone as a whole is a sedimentary rock formed from the accumulation of skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral and mollusks. Comet is not a star. A comet is a small icy body that orbits the sun, while a star is a massive luminous ball of gas undergoing nuclear fusion. Cenozoic era is known as the age of mammals. Mammals became the dominant life forms on Earth after the extinction of dinosaurs, leading to the current Cenozoic era. Mesozoic era is called the age of reptiles. Mesozoic era was dominated by reptiles, particularly dinosaurs. That is why it is called the age of reptiles. Paleozoic era is called the age of amphibians. The Paleozoic era saw the rise of amphibians as the dominant land vertebrates. That is why it is called age of amphibians. Study the diagram and answer. So there is a diagram of comet revolving around sun. What difference do you find between comet's position at A and B? At position A, the comet is farther from the sun and appears mostly as a small bright object with little to no tail. At position B, the comet is closer to the sun, causing it to develop a long bright tail that points away from the sun. Why does tail appear at position B but not at A? The tail appears at position B because the sun's heat causes the comet's icy nucleus to vaporize, releasing gas and dust. Solar wind then pushes these particles away from a tail. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.